How to fix overlapping labels on Python bar charts. Imagine trying to read a bar chart where the labels are all jumbled together and impossible to decipher. That can make your data look messy and hard to understand. Luckily, there are simple ways to fix this problem and make your charts clear and easy to read. When labels overlap, it usually means there isn't enough space for all the text. To fix this, start by making your plot larger. Increasing the figure size gives more room for labels to spread out. You can do this with the figure function in Matplotlib by setting a bigger width and height. Next, rotating the tick labels on the x-axis helps a lot. Using plt.xticks, rotation is equal to 45 or rotation is equal to 90 tilts the labels diagonally or vertically, which prevents them from stacking horizontally. You can also align the labels better with the ha parameter, setting it to right or center. This way, labels won't spill over into each other. If your labels are date or time values, autofmtxdate is a handy function that automatically rotates and aligns them to avoid overlap. For bar labels directly on the bars, Matplotlib offers the ax.barlabel function. It allows you to add labels to each bar and control their position with parameters like label type. If labels still clash, you can manually shift their positions by adjusting the coordinates of each label. This is especially useful in stacked bar charts where small bars can cause labels to collide. When you have many labels, consider reducing the number of tick marks or only showing key labels. You can do this by setting major tick locators or using set xticks with specific positions. Switching to horizontal bar charts can also help because the y-axis typically has more space for longer labels. If labels are too long, shortening them or using abbreviations can make a big difference. For example, instead of February, just write Feb to see these tips in action. Here is a quick example. First, you set your labels and values, then create the bar chart. Next, rotate the labels 45 degrees and align them to the right with plt.xticks. Rotation is equal to 45, ha is equal to right. Finally, call plt.layout to make sure everything fits nicely. This simple step ensures your labels won't be cut off or overlap. For more complex charts like stacked bars, you might need to manually adjust label positions by checking for overlaps and shifting labels vertically or horizontally. Remember, the goal is to make your chart easy to read and visually appealing. Combining these techniques, changing figure size, rotating labels, adjusting alignments, and simplifying labels, can turn a cluttered chart into a clear and professional visualization. These small tweaks make a big difference in how your data is understood and appreciated.